Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel AT Media. Today I am bringing you something wild and fun, a cartoon shark created entirely in MS Paint. I started with my simple rough sketch and used a bold stroke to capture the shark's basic shape. The key here is to keep it simple but strong. MS Paint make it super easy. Now, instead of making it just a regular shark, I gave it some personality. Look at those big eyes and wide open mouth. Adding emotion instantly transforms a drawing into real character. Next up, I filled the classic shark colors, blue and white, but kept it bright and playful instead of realistic. I also added sharp teeth and a bit of red in the mouth to make it look extra dramatic. Notice how the thick outlines and shapes make it feel more like a cartoon. That's the magic of this style. Simple, bold, and full of energy. And there we go. Our shark is completely ready. What do you think? Should I try more animals in this style? Comment below your ideas. And don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe for more MS Paint cartoon tutorials. See you in the next one. Bye.